Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, I want to share a new app I have been working on for a while. It is a page builder for Wix, and this page builder is really different than what you have been using so far. So this builder is made around the actual users of the Wix who doesn't have any deep knowledge of the web development, responsiveness, and so on. So you can deploy a page using this builder within 5 minutes. So let me quickly show you an example first. When you go to your Wix dashboard, you will find the landing page builder here. Open it, then click on new page and give it any page title. And this is one of the coolest thing about this app. You can create a page one time and reuse them as many times as you like. So for example, the back to school sale is coming in this and next month. So let me show you how to create that. The core of this builder, apart from the components here, is the templates. So I have added tons of templates here. So for example, as I said, the back to school sale is coming next month. And whenever such a massive sale happens, I will automatically update these templates and you will be able to quickly deploy such templates. So there are um, like 6 to 7 pages, like 10 pages for the sales, depending on what kind of business you are running. Then you have individual sections. So let's say I want to add this page, right? You can see a preview, then add it to the page, and that's it. Now you have the entire page here. You can publish it and copy this key from here. This is the key of your page. Simply copy it, go to your website editor, add a new page, and this works for all Wix editor as well. So right here you can see a page built on the app. So when you go to the editor inside the app widgets, you will find the landing page renderer. This is what you need to use. You can find it in different location depending on what kind of editor you have, the classic editor, Wix Studio, or Wix Harmony. You will find the app widgets someplace. Click on stretch, click on settings, and in the panel, you need to paste your page key and click on apply. And that's it. And now you have your entire page right here. Now this is just an example to show you how to quickly deploy the page. The main components are right here. I have added ready to use component. And by the way, you don't have to separately design your website in tablet and mobile. When you create your website in the desktop, it automatically becomes responsive across all the devices. You don't have to work too much on the mobile or tablet. Now, there are some pretty cool components that I should mention here. There are some e-commerce templates, for example. Now, this component here, you can quickly refresh your products like this. Right? And it also has components for store and booking. So if you are selling something or selling any services, you can do so as well. So for example, I can go to store and add a 3D product carousel here. So for example, I can add a new section and a product slider. Then you can select the product by category or by latest products or handpick any product you want, right? Once you have done that, click on refresh preview and you will get your products here. You can change the design however you want. You can show and hide elements as well. So right now you are not seeing any images because the product categories don't have them. But once you do, you will find these product sliders and everything right away. So you have the products here as well, the sliders, and so on, right? You can also add the products to cart. That works as well right here. And the same goes for all other things, right? So you can quickly create any page you want using the templates or components. There are tons of components you can see here. The containers intersection. I have also added advanced section, which will help you to choose wireframes from here and quickly create your pages. So for example, let's say you want to use this layout, just edit, and you can manage the content from here. Everything is very easy to use. Once you add the component, you can easily figure this out. There are simply three tabs here: the content, which controls the main content of your component, the style, which sets the color and fields, and the advanced, where you have animations, sizing, and other things. But yeah, I recommend that you try this out. But yeah, I recommend you try this out. This is free for use. You can create one page for free, minus the store and bookings component. I'm sure you will like it. This is really good for quickly deploying new pages, landing pages, and so on. And the template library is huge. Like you can find a lot of section templates right away.